Hey guys, I'm James from Pleasanton, California. Installing a hitch on your Hyundai Elantra can take you to some really fun places like camping and bike riding. It can also tow a U-Haul trailer almost anywhere in Northern America. Let's break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Alright, so for our first step, we're going to support our exhaust with the support strap to prevent it from falling when we loosen the grommets. So now we're going to remove the two exhaust hangers closest to the rear of the vehicle, and it helps to spray with some soapy water to slide them off. So now we're going to lower our canister by removing two bolts here and here. We're going to use a 12mm ratchet to take those bolts out. The instructions call for only to remove the rear nut to lower the carbon canister, but we found it easier to remove both. So in removing the carbon canister, it might help to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out carefully. Now with the canister lowered, we're going to be removing two bolts. So next on the passenger side, we have the two same bolts. We're only going to be removing the one on the outside. Alright, so now we're going to enlarge the rear hole in our canister to 7/16. This is not required in the instructions, but it'll make it easier for reinstallation. So now we're going to raise our hitch into place using the U-Haul exclusive jack. If you don't have one of these, I'd recommend getting an extra set of hands as the hitch can be kind of heavy. Now we're going to use the bolts supplied to install in the existing holes and make sure that the teeth on our washers are against the hitch. Alright, and last we're going to drop our carriage bolt and block through the toe loop, and we'll be securing it with the provided flange nut. And now with our hardware in place, we're ready to torque down our bolts to the required specifications. And you can find these specs in the description below. I'm going to be using a 13mm socket. Alright, so lastly we'll be using a 3/4 socket for the nut on the toe loop. And now with our hardware all installed, we'll raise our canister and our exhaust back into place. And last, we're going to remove our exhaust strap. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 1 1/4 inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper, it's 2.5 inches. And from the ground to the top of the receiver, it's 9 3/4 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.